As you can see, that's just hot garbage. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, or as always, if you're new here, welcome to the channel. Today I got a cool video, something I've wanted to do to the Jeep for a while. Yes, it's going to be a Jeep video. I'm going to be replacing these hood latches. So it's an entire assembly, it's not just this rubber piece. And as you can see here, this is just all tore up. It's not, honestly, I probably would have broke very soon. So I'm gonna be replacing these. I've got the new hood latches in this box here, and I'm gonna show you guys what I ordered. All right, so here they are. These are all metal hood latches. I got them off Amazon. I want to say they're like 50 bucks, something like that. I'll leave the link in the description below for you guys to check these out. But they're red. It's kind of the theme my wife's really wanted to go for with this thing. It's kind of like a black and red vibe. So picked up these, figured they'd be a better upgrade to these old nasty ones, because like I said, that's about to snap. So go ahead and pop the hood, get this old one off. I'll probably do this side and then just kind of speed through this side and then show you guys after. So let's get to popping those off and see what we can do. Okay, so first things first, you're gonna pop the hood. Now that you're under here, you'll see there are two bolts here holding on this top one. We'll go ahead and take the top one off first just because it's easier, and then we'll go move on to the bottom one. But I believe these are just two 10mm bolts. So let me go get my ratchet and I'll zip these off real quick. Alright, so now that one's off. You can see it's just old crusty. So we'll go ahead and throw this new one on. You'll want the hooks down because when you clamp it, clamps into it like that. So go ahead and pop this one on. It comes with two different spacers. It's got, I think because these are universal, it's got JK here. I don't know if you can see that. And then if you have a JL, we'll say that one there, I guess it takes a bigger spacer. That one's thicker. But this one, since I have a JK, it's gonna take this thinner one. So go ahead and put it up like that. It's gonna go this way on the hood, and we'll go ahead and zip this on. Okay, so now that one's in. I just went ahead and used the factory hardware because it comes with bolts, but they don't have these little spacers. So I figured it'd be better to have these little spacers on there. So this one's on. I don't have it tightened all the way down yet because we've got to adjust it after we get it down. So now I'm gonna get to working on this bottom one. And now to get this bottom one off, I believe this one's a 13mm. But to get this bottom one off, there's a bolt right up under here. And now to make it really easy, you probably could take the grill off. I think it says to do that in the instructions, but I don't really feel like doing all that. So just get my 13 and I'll just okay, so now that one's off. As you can see, that's just hot garbage. So I think these will definitely be a cool upgrade. And as you can see, it's got the spacers in it again. It says JK, that back one's a JL. Let's go ahead and unscrew this. I'll probably do the same thing with this. I'll probably reuse the factory hardware. Alright, so as you can see, that one is on there. It's nice and tight. You want to come back through here and make sure all your hardware is tight. Like, I'm pretty sure that one right there is loose. Alright, so that's on. And that's already looking pretty sick to me. So I'm going to go ahead and, yes, the factory bolt fits that fine. And then same as up top, the hardware they give you these little bolts, and I'm sure they're fine, but those other ones just have the washers behind it. I just feel a little more comfortable with more of that surface area grabbing the back of these. All right, guys, so I have that other side done. Before I close this, start adjusting everything, I'm just gonna go ahead and pop this side off, the top up here too, and then I'll close it, get everything adjusted, and then shouldn't be too much longer and I'll be able to show you how this thing looks. Alright, so now both sides are on. All that's tight. All that's tight enough so we can try to adjust it. But I'm gonna go ahead and close the hood and see where we are with adjustments. Okay, so right there. Yes, that's way too loose. So how you adjust these is you bring these up. So right now I have it all the way on the lowest setting. Alright guys, so the hood latches are on. They look great. Everything's adjusted right. It's all tightened up, all buttoned up now. Hood's closed. It's about the same tension as the factory latches. So I think we're good there, but I'm gonna turn this around and show you guys what they look like. So this is them. I like that American flag on it. The tension's not bad. It's good enough that it's gonna hold it. Push it down. Now, like I said, I think it looks great. Gives the Jeep a little bit of a tougher look. Goes with what she wants. But that's pretty much all I want to show you guys. Just putting those on. That being said, that's gonna wrap up this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see more stuff like this, hit that subscribe button. Let me know down in the comments what you guys want to see with the Jeep. I want to try to add more Jeep content to the channel. So let me know if you guys want to see, you know, go and trail ride and stuff like that. And it'll just help me out with content with the Jeep if you guys want to see that stuff. So follow me on all my socials. I will leave everything down in the description below. I started a Twitter, so you guys can maybe tweet me there ideas on videos or stuff that you guys want to see. Again, that'll all be down in the description below. My Instagram, my Facebook page, all that stuff. My channel email, if you need to contact me for any reason, you can find that down there too. And again, I'm going to leave these down in the description below in case you guys want to go pick up some of those. Like I said, they were only like 45, 50 bucks, something like that. And only time will tell how long they'll last, but you guys will see that on a future video. Like I said, that's gonna wrap up this video, guys. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you next time.